Welcome to Mustax.com. If you need help with insurance means home, auto, business, basically all kind of commercial insurances like general liability, workers' comp, stuff like that. If you need help with the consultation for studying USA, especially from a country like Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, London, any other country around the world, for international students who wants to come into USA with terms and conditions on a F1 category, provided by the USCIS. With terms and conditions once again. We've been doing this really for a long time. We do have a background as an educational consulting firm. We have all the credentials in our office. When you come in, you will definitely take a look at it. If you also need help with the tax file, basically W-2, just the basic W-2 and 1099, I've been doing this almost like 10 years as well. But just to let you know, with all kind of services that I'm saying and I'm gonna say right now, I've been doing this on and off since 1995, 1996, and officially starting in Bangladesh, I've been doing this from 2000. So officially on and off, we are talking about 20 plus something years, right? Once again, I just talked about the tax file. On top of that, if you need help with any online applications, any applications that you can do it online, because it's asking you a lot of questions, it's asking a bunch of documents to upload. Trust me, not everybody is computer literate just like let's say average people, right? So if you need help with that, if you don't know which one to click, if you don't know how to gonna respond to any online applications, definitely call us or contact us. On top of that, any paperwork means non-legal paperwork, any kind of paperwork that you can't really, you have a requirement within 20 days, let's say, you have to answer, right? With a bunch of paperwork, filling out a bunch of forms again. Yeah, definitely. If it's as long as non-legal, you could definitely contact us. We will try to help you. On top of that, if you need help with the English drafting, especially from Bengali to English, right? You could definitely contact us, non-legal once again. On top of that, resume writing. A professional resume, it's like a mirror for your whole life, right? Because the employers basically spend how long? The experts say only like 30 seconds just to look at the resume, right? So you have to make sure that your resume looks definitely way up there. On top of that, translations, certified translation. I've been doing this for years. Just to let you know, my name is MD Khalid Mastaq. I've been doing certified translations, meaning that I do translation from Bengali to English. And on top of that, I do give you a certificate saying that I was the translator. And it tells a little bit my background and everything. At the bottom of the certification, I do sign. It's got certified translations. Pretty much everywhere they require certified translations. I've been doing this for years as well. On top of that, interpretations, just to let you know, as a professional interpreter, I helped a lot of my community people, whoever sees this video as well, not to mention a lot of government agencies. As a private interpreter, my client actually hired me and I went in there. For now, pretty much interpretation, it could be done over the phone. It could be anywhere as long as, we take care of the, all the procedures and everything. Why don't you call us and find out more? On top of that, business consultations. If you want to open up a new business, you don't know if you need to do a solo prop, if you need to do a LLC, if you need to do a LLP or INC, all these licensing, state requirements, administrative assistant appointment, how you're gonna take care of all the state requirements, stuff like that. I've been doing this for years as well. Once again, pretty much we are talking about 20 plus something years, right? On top of that, in the insurance industry, I'm a Rookie of the Month awardee, meaning that I was once awarded by one of the insurance company in New York as Rookie of the Month. I do have a placard, hanging on the wall. You could see it in the back as well. So all these services, you just need to go to Mustax.com. I'll definitely make sure I'll put that on top of that screen right here. If you go to Mustax.com, everything I just say, you'll be able to see as well. Mustax.com, if you go online from from your personal phone, from your computer, from desktop, we're working on getting an app, so hopefully maybe we already have an app. Go to Mustax.com, then you could see what are the services we've been doing it for years, and give us a call at 347-536-9484. Trust me, I've been doing this for years. I know my community people, especially all my South Asian Desi people who speaks Bengali, because I'm a Bangladeshi American as well. Why don't you give me a call? I've been helping you guys for years, and definitely we'll go from there. I really have to say the disclaimer, we are not a law firm. We don't give out any legal advice, and insurance is only provided insurance services by me as a New York State Department of Financial Services licensed insurance broker in reference to PNC and life. Just that's for the insurance. All other services it's been taken care either as MD Khalid Mustaq, which is myself, or DBA PME North America USA, which is the business certificate we have with the state. But insurance services is only provided by MD Khalid Mustaq, being licensed by the New York State Department of Financial Services. We are not a law firm once again. And every services before you do, you're gonna have to sign definitely some kind of disclaimer, just to make sure that what we are talking about, basically a contract, you will tell exactly what kind of services you have asked for, whether we'll be able to provide you that services or not, and how much it's going to charge and all that. And it will definitely go home with the receipts as well. This is what we've been doing for years, guys. So if you really need help, call the number on the screen, 347-536-9484. At the same time, if you ever forget, let's say if you just go online with mostaks.com, mostaks.com. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.